Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make green bean almondine. My family absolutely love this dish with green beans, onions, almonds and garlic. It's a real hit at our table. These fresh and vibrant green beans are made on the stove top in just 15 minutes. A perfect dish for holiday tables and weeknights alike. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Add the trimmed green beans and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn bright green. Once the water starts boiling, turn off the heat. Quickly transfer the beans to a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. Next, drain and set aside. Next, in a medium pan over medium heat, melt about 3 tablespoons of butter. Add diced red onions and saute for about 5 to 6 minutes until they start to caramelize and turn golden brown. Next, we're gonna add silvered almonds, then toast them for 2 to 3 minutes until they become lightly golden and fragrant. Continue to stir constantly for even cooking. Stirring ensures that the almonds heat evenly on all sides. Next, we're gonna add minced garlic. It's gonna bring a wonderful aroma and a depth of flavor. Saute for 20 seconds. Then we're gonna go ahead and add the green beans. Toss everything together gently until the beans are heated through and well coated with the flavors from the pan. Season with black pepper and salt. Stir well. Then we're gonna add lemon zest, toss gently to combine, ensuring the zest is evenly distributed. Toss for 30 seconds, then your dish is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this dish. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.